This is video number 141 and you're watching Learn and Speak Tamil like a native. If you are new to this channel, you could check the 140 videos, which is enough for you to be speaking at intermediate level of Tamil. Today we are going to see phrases to say, you're telling something not understandable. I'll make it clear for you. She's not clear about that. I don't understand. Can you? There are so many ways to say that in English. I don't get it. I don't understand. Let us see some simple ways to say that in Tamil. She does not speak anything in a clear manner. எதையும் ஒரு தெளிவாவே பேசாத அந்த பொண்ணு. எதையும் anything ஒரு தெளிவாவே in a understandable manner பேசாது அந்த பொண்ணு. Doesn't speak, that girl. Here ஒரு தெளிவாவே is to add effect. You can simply say தெளிவா பேசாது, but ஒரு is to mean in a way, and தெளிவாவே here way is again to stress on it. These are minute sounds you can start capturing to understand when you hear someone speak. And again, அந்த பொண்ணு is stressed. It is like that girl, she never speaks clearly. எதையும் ஒரு தெளிவாவே பேசாது அந்த பொண்ணு. தெளிவா சொல்லு means say something in a clear or understandable manner. நீங்கள் நேரில் வாங்க, உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் அப்படியே புரிகிற மாதிரி சொல்கிறேன், சரியா? You could come in person. I'll tell you everything very clearly, okay? The lady wants to explain certain things clearly to that man and she doesn't want to have the conversation in phone. Or it could also be the man saying that to her. நீங்கள் நேரில் வாங்க, உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் அப்படியே புரிகிற மாதிரி சொல்கிறேன், சரியா? நீங்கள் நேரில் வாங்க, you come in person. உங்களுக்கு, to you, எல்லாம் அப்படியே, everything as it is, புரிகிற மாதிரி சொல்கிறேன். I would say in a clear manner. நீங்கள் நேரில் வாங்க, உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் அப்படியே புரிகிற மாதிரி சொல்கிறேன், சரியா? You come in person, I'll tell you everything very clearly, okay? நீங்கள் நேரில் வாங்க, உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் புரிகிற மாதிரி சொல்கிறேன், சரியா? புரிகிற மாதிரி means in an understandable manner. What are you saying? Please say it clearly. என்னப்பா சொல்கிற? கொஞ்சம் விளங்குற மாதிரி சொல்லு. This can be either the son saying that to the dad or the dad saying that to the son. What are you saying? Please say it clearly. என்னப்பா சொல்கிற? What are you saying? கொஞ்சம், just or please, விளங்குற மாதிரி சொல்லு. Say that in a clear manner. Here, என்னப்பா can be appa meaning dad, or it can also be a dear term to his son. And it is common for you to hear நீ instead of நீங்க when a son or daughter addresses mother or father, and it is not lack of respect, but it signifies a casual closeness within themselves. That is for you to note. So here let us assume the son is saying that to his father. என்னப்பா சொல்கிற? கொஞ்சம் விளங்குற மாதிரி சொல்லு. That is generation gap and misunderstanding. விளங்குற மாதிரி is a comprehensible manner. This is somewhat less used comparing the other phrases we are seeing today, but you can use it. I don't get it well. Could you please repeat it? எனக்கு I or to me சரியா புரியல. I'm not getting it. திரும்ப சொல்றீங்களா? Could you repeat? This is fairly simple. You do not understand and you're requesting to repeat. புரியல means do not understand, or I do not understand, or somebody is just one word. That one word means something is not understood or understandable. That is all for today. If you like the channel, you can subscribe, like, and click the bell icon. The reason why I insist is that whenever someone asks a doubt or request clarification, and if it is a video worthy, I make a video, and that is how I keep pushing these videos. If there's a lull time, that means no one has asked enough questions. So please subscribe, and more than anything, send your suggestions and opinions here. All the best with your Tamil learning. Be safe.